Hi, my name is Jeanetta Gonzales, and I'm a designer and an illustrator currently in Los Angeles. I make art because it fuels my soul. As soon as I tap into my creativity and explore that and express that, I'm really good and it fills my tank. Also to connect with my community and connect with my heritage and who I am and to celebrate that. When I'm designing something, it's all about generating ideas and generating a lot of them, and then I can sort through them and kind of get the creative juices flowing from there, and then I start to make mood boards and start drawing and sketching from them. I was thrilled to get the call from Michaels, and it was a dream come true. They were very encouraging and gave me lots of things to work with, you know, color palettes and all the assets, and lots of creative freedom was given to me. I was able to really explore my ideas, and it was, again, really a dream project, and I was really pleased with the work.
I'm Devette, and I'm a product manager here at Michaels. I'm also a member of the Michaels resource group called BOLD, which stands for Black Organized Leaders of Diversity. So this is the first time we've worked with a guest artist for our Black History Month assortment. And it was really important, and I would even say it was special because we brought in someone from the Black community to support the assortment. We also know, especially for Black History Month, it's really important to teach and pass down to our younger generation. So we've also tried to include a section that is educational and for the classroom.
Representation is really important in art, and feeling seen and seeing yourself reflected back in art that you see, and that is really special.
We have a lot of exciting products in this collection. Some of my favorite are the ones that you can use to create makes or craft projects on your own. I like to do a lot of the canvases that you can paint that have the designs included on them. And I also like to make my own t-shirts with the vinyl that we also carry within the assortment. We've got a lot of great and cool new designs, and even the sayings that are on them, the sentiments, are perfect to reflect Black culture, not only during Black History Month, but all year long.
Just keep making art, keep creating, keep nurturing your creativity, stay curious.